Hey guys, it's Jesse, the Couch Movie Critic, and as you can see, I'm back in the kitchen, which means we're doing an unboxing today. So we're doing an unboxing for today is a brand new laptop that I just got for myself. My old laptop, unfortunately, the hard drive went. I guess one of the bearings in the disk drive part of it went, and it just completely went out on me. Forced to buy a new one. Lucky enough for me, it did happen during the President's Day sale weekend and week sale, so I actually just picked this up last week and got a pretty good deal on it. So what got myself was a HP laptop. It's a 15.6-inch laptop. It's a model number 15BW1001DX, and it is a quad-core AMD A69220 accelerated processor. It's got a 500 gigabyte hard drive, which isn't huge by any means, but it's better than some of these 32 and 64 gig solid state devices. And I do use an external hard drive anyway, just to back up my stuff for safety reasons. It does come with a DVD RW optical drive, so you can watch DVDs as well as record CDs, DVDs, and so on. As I mentioned, a 15.6-inch widescreen LED display, and it obviously has Wi-Fi and is Bluetooth capable as well. So I did do a little bit of unpacking on this, just because it's a little easier for filming purposes. So we're going to go ahead and jump right on into it. And so here we go, guys. This is the unboxing. We're going to start at the very, very top of everything. And we have here, right off the bat, we've got our setup instructions. It's just a quick user guide. Glanced over it earlier. Anybody with any basic computing skills or processes will know what the majority of this stuff is. So it's, we're going to put that to the side for the sake of the video. Again, we're just doing a simple unboxing here. Let's go ahead here and take a look. I'm going to swing this on over here. Now we'll go ahead and let's see what's here on the right-hand side. So what do we got? Looks like it's our power cords. So we got our standard US-based grounded plug, plus the transformer that goes with it right there. And its connection where it hooks into the laptop with this Velcro strap. To keep that neat and easy, we're going to move that off to one side. Let's go ahead, let's pull this out of the box. As you can see from the box, it's real simple packing, but really heavy grade styrofoam there to make sure that nothing happens to it. So let's take a look here. Oh, we've got some paperwork here, so let's go ahead and pull that out. Just basic informational questions on things that you'd like to know about, questions about it, and how to contact customer services. It is in dual languages for those of us that don't read English. Let's take a look, see if there's anything else. It doesn't look like I have anything else for the moment. Let's go ahead and pull that up. There, it looks like there was some more paper hiding in there, so we're going to go ahead and take a look at that in a second here. Let me move this. I'll go ahead and put the laptop right there. Nice clean view, and then we'll go ahead and see what that else it was dropping there. So we've got here is your basic warranty guide. Just your standard run-of-the-mill warranty on what's going on and what's expected, what's happening here. So let's go ahead and there you go. Got a little bit of a better view there, a little bit wider of an angle, so you can see exactly what's going on, what we've been looking at. So I'm going to move all this stuff over to the side. I'm going to go ahead and pull the laptop here. Let's go ahead and I'm going to remove this styrofoam padding. As I mentioned, I did do some of the pre-opening, just for simplicity of use for myself, to be able to open this. Plus, I did some of the basic setup, just so I can go ahead and get this out of the way. But this is exactly as it came in package. So let's go ahead and take a look. Pull it out of the bag. I'm going to start with the very bottom. The reason I'm going to start with the bottom is this is exactly how it pulls out. You do notice that I have some fingerprints on it from when I was touching it a little bit earlier. Just from my own point of reference to be able to see it and see what's going on. A couple things that I do enjoy, I like about the bottom and just the overall design of this thing is the texture of it. Not fond of the fingerprints, but it is what it is. That pretty much happens with every laptop. But I do like the texture because it's non-slippery. It doesn't let your hand slip off. It's not going to be something you could drop or potentially damage. It does have rubber feet, so it does make for comfortable and seating wherever you put it down. Has your standard removable battery, lock on the left, spring-loaded clip to fully release it on the right. So let's take a look at some of the features of what it comes with and what it has on there, okay? So if we could see here, I'm going to rest it right there. You've got your power cord there, your vents for heating and cooling purposes, your Ethernet cable, you have your HDMI, your USBs, and your headset port. On the front, nothing really here other than you do have your speakers right there at the very bottom. Flipping it over here, we have another USB drive, SD card slot, and your optical drive right there. So let's go ahead and take a look. Once again, as I mentioned earlier, Really do like the finish of it. Not particularly fond of the fact that it, as you can see, it does hold fingerprints as I do touch it, but I do love the texture of it. I do love the feel of it. Sometimes you want to put a skin on this just so it's not so visible. In this case, I really don't think you have to. I mean, I might skin it just because of the whole fingerprint issue, but it isn't one of those laptops that's needed. Another really nice benefit to this laptop is the heft to it. It is a definite heft and a build and a feel to it that's just fantastic, and it really means for, you know, something that feels like it's a good piece of quality. So let's go ahead and open it up. And as usual, it has a black insert that comes with all the HP products just to keep the keyboard clean and functional and whatnot. So let's go ahead and take a look. And one of the things that I really love about this laptop is that you have your full keyboard, but then you also have your numeric pad. Now, not to date myself and sound like a really, really old man, but I'm going to. This is one of the features that for me is a big deal. Growing up as a kid, most of the computers that I dealt with did not have or laptops better said, did not have the numeric pad, while most computers do, most keyboards do. So that being what I grew up on, using a full-size PC and a keyboard, I've always missed that feature, and I'm kind of glad to have it finally in one of my laptops, because it's been one of those things that it's just a really great creature comfort. As you can see here included, they do have the sticker here, which you can scan a UR code reader, and you could actually review videos, features, and spec support right there from the touch of the scanning. As a standard reliability label, lets you know that it's a 7th generation AMD quad-core processor, it's got an HD display, and it has up to the 500 gigabyte drive. You'll notice you have your power button uniquely located here. Because of the touchpad, I like that it actually recenters your mouse pad. It's got a full-size touchpad here with the left and right clicks here, but they're actually slightly off to the left because of the fact they want you to line your hands with the keypad and then the mouse pad. So I thought that was actually kind of a cool little touch that they did that there. It made for a much more seamless use. Yeah. So let's go ahead and turn it on so we'll get a look at what the display looks like. So there it is. That's the startup screen. I've already gone through the bulk of the setup, so this isn't what you're going to be greeted by. Normally you have the usual Windows 10 setup, Cortana introducing herself, and all that fun stuff that comes with buying a new laptop. Let me go ahead. I'm going to open it up real quick here. I'll show you some of the basic features it's got and then go from there. So there we go. I had to put in my PIN. It actually lets you set up either a password or a PIN. As you can see, I've already downloaded my iTunes, as that's pretty much the bulk of what I do on my computers is really music. I don't even do my editing. My film's on there. I'm actually doing that right from my smartphone, which I think is fantastic. But as you can start seeing right off the bat, and some of the icons here that you could see, and let's see if I could zoom in a little bit. You'll notice here that it's got quite a few different odds and ends that are nice little touches here. It's having me set up my OneDrive, which I started to do earlier, but I just didn't feel like finishing it out. So I'm just going to minimize that off to the side. But it comes with built-in Netflix application, built-in Amazon application. You've got Microsoft Edge. You've got the Microsoft Store. You've got your email applications. She has Cortana. So Cortana pulls up. There she is with her blinking blue light. And she's muted. Haha. Therefore, I'm not infringing on copyrights. And then you've got your standard suite of normal home-based Internet Explorer or Microsoft Explorer type features. So it's definitely all around. From the little bit of time I've had it, a little bit of time I've been using it, it's definitely a good quality piece of work. It does the job that it's supposed to. It definitely becomes something that I'm enjoying the laptop. I really am. And it gets the job done. Guys, that's everything for my unboxing of my HP 15BW011DX laptop. Hope you guys enjoyed the videos. And as always, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share with your friends. If you have any ideas for any upcoming videos, please feel free to reach out to me in that same method. And thanks again, guys, for watching. Have a great